Hey backpackers, tired of this happening to you in the backcountry?
And me, I'm in a rock and roll band.
Well, I'm here to show you how to make the ultimate backcountry pillow. We're starting with your classic backcountry ingredients. Nothing excessive. A fleece, a hiking shirt, another hiking shirt, a pair of pants, and a puffy jacket, and your sleeping bag stuff sack. First method I'm going to show you is the sausage stuffer. We're going to go the hardest, most dense first. So, pants. Roll them up. And we got a hiking shirt. We're going to do a nice little fold and roll. Then we got a fleece, has a little more loft, a little softer. And then you're gonna layer them in. Densest on the bottom. Nice firm base. Your softer one is gonna be on top. And then, you don't need to wear your puffy at night. You wanna get it into a nice fold. Stuff it in there carefully not to disturb your sausages. Nice soft pillow top. Now you got a lofty, yet firm, backcountry pillow that will not collapse under you or roll away as you're sleeping. For those of you who are especially frustrated with the roll-away pillow, we have another alternative for you. It's called the pack and fold. It's basically the same concept as the sausage stuffer, except we're not rolling, we're folding to create our base and then our upper layer.
Now, if it's been a long day of backpacking and you don't have time to roll everything up real neat and stuff it into a stuff sack, we do have a few alternative methods for you when shit gets pretty hairy like it is right now. Method number one, the backpack.